Today's vaccine is a good Tantrum pause for alarm during shoot assembly. FIREMEN so up by all sea turkey mushrooms. Like the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this vaccine 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit talking mushrooms.
Don't put that on YouTube!
Oh, hey, what's up, guys? So, it's the next morning. Haven't gotten out of bed yet. I gotta get the kids ready, I know, but, here's a YouTube question for you guys. But, do you ever wake up with a stiff neck? Like, my neck has been really stiff this morning.
Really?
I can't even move it, really. I mean, I probably just need to just sit up. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. I get these sometimes. You guys ever get them? Really annoying. This might be a Tylenol day. What's up, guys? So, another morning. Kids are complaining about going to school, which... You know, it's Halloween, so I guess that's why they don't want to go to school, because they just want to stay home and then trick-or-treat later tonight. But it's, you know, it's a school day. So, you know, you still got to go to school. Life goes on.
Yeah.
They can go trick-or-treating later. Plus, they get to wear their Halloween costumes today. So, I don't know why they're complaining. London's breakfast. You're having Nutella? Ow, 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 ow. Go eat, go eat. Leanna, you ready for another day of school?
No.
What cereal are you eating?
Fruity Pebbles! Yeah!
Why don't you want to
Fruity
go to school?
Pebbles! Fruity Pebbles! Fruity
You got a headache?
Pebbles!
Well, how do you got a headache? Alright, getting ready for school? Leanna looks annoyed. What's wrong, Leanna?
I don't want to.
But it's Halloween. Put on your costumes and you'll get... Well, it's Halloween. You're gonna have fun at school. You're not gonna do much learning today. It's basically a party.
So today's Halloween. I'm really excited, but I've...
Party!
Shut up!
Oh! Shut up!
I have school today, which I shouldn't have that on Halloween. And I have it tomorrow. Like, I'm not even gonna get any work done, because I'm just gonna be so tired from trick-or-treating and having fun. Shut up!
Shut up!
Go away! No one cares! Anyway, I'm so mad. Like, I'm probably gonna skip school tomorrow because I do not want to go. I shouldn't have to go.
Okay, Leanna, come on, get ready for school.
Shut up!
Okay, quit messing around. Alright. So, ow! Stop! Alright, oh, my neck hurts. So, I woke up with a stiff neck this morning, guys. And I'm trying to get the kids ready for school. It's Halloween, so, you know, we gotta put them in their costumes and all that, and, you know, get them ready for Halloween as they go to school. So a lot of extra work today, I feel like. A lot of extra work this morning, getting everybody ready. So, yeah, so we got Halloween. So the fun thing is, guys, so Leanna actually doesn't know this, but she won some awards with like reflections or something like that, and so we're actually invited to go to a school assembly later today, Carol and I. So we're gonna be going to that. Like, Leanna doesn't even know yet that she won some awards, so we're gonna get to see her at school today. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to see what awards that she won, and yeah, I think this is gonna be a very exciting day. Good morning, Carol. What are you making?
Coffee.
You look like you're half asleep.
Yeah, that's why I'm making coffee. Thanks for being so...
That's why I'm making
We had spaghetti last night. Leftover spaghetti.
Why didn't you do the dishes? Lee.
I was playing Minecraft.
Oh, I blame my cup.
What? Oh, come on, what's wrong with you? That does not sound good. God dang it, sounds like something's dying in there. I'm just trying to get ice. Why does my freezer sound like it's dying? There's a lot of pressure coming
What
out
are
of
you
there.
doing? Why are you moving the refrigerator?
There we go, now I can move it.
Why are you moving the fridge?
Because it's being stupid.
Whoa! What is... It's not picking up on camera, but there's a lot of stuff back there.
Whoa.
What did you get?
Wow. How did stuff get back there?
My toy.
Wow, look at all that crap. So there's the back of the fridge. And look at all that. There's just garbage back there. Man, look at all this garbage back here. Piece of paper. I don't know what that's to. But yeah, look at all that. I found that behind the fridge. So I'm having to move the fridge out, guys. Check behind.
Homework.
What?
That's what the paper was. Someone's homework.
Someone's homework.
They got out of doing their homework by shoving it under the fridge.
Fridge.
Wait, what?
It's someone's homework.
So
They didn't do.
I'm having to check behind the fridge, make sure everything's working properly, and you know, just might have to make some adjustments. There's just too much water flowing out of the water dispenser there in front of the fridge.
Yeah.
Too much pressure, too much water pressure, so I need to turn the dial down or something. Oh, let's try this out. Oh, see, it just splashes everywhere.
All right, so Lee's climbing back behind the fridge. So our fridge has too high of water pressure, and it sprays water everywhere. So careful, don't sit on cords.
I'm not.
Careful. All right, so he's turning. Do you know which way you're turning it?
Oh, it says on and off, so
Okay, so turn it towards the off.
yeah. Okay, I'm just turning it a little bit,
I
and
want
then
to
I guess
see.
I'll try it and see what it does.
Don't trip. Oh, okay. Okay, now he's got to go. Nope. You don't go back there. That's not for London.
All right, let's try it again. Oh, now I got nothing. All right, let's try this again. All right, so I think I finally got the water pressure in my fridge the way I want it. You know, not too much, not too little, just right. So now that that's done, come on guys, let's get ready for school. Get your Halloween costumes on, let's go.
Shut up.
Don't tell
Shut
me
up.
to shut up. But you're not gonna go trick-or-treating. Leanna, come on.
I will. It's not that the world. I'm a minute late.
Seriously? All right, bye, love you. Just walk down. Leanna will catch up to you, okay? Got her Halloween costume underneath her jacket. Can't see it. But it is cold, so she needs to wear a jacket. Oh, there she goes. Look both ways. Stop and look both ways. London's already down there. Still waiting on Leanna. London's almost to the bottom.
Guys, it's Leanna here. So it's Halloween and I'm leaving for school. So bright. So I'm dressed up as a witch and I have
Like
an
a witch.
assembly today where I better win some awards. If not, then I'm going to be so mad. Which, I kind of want to pull the fire alarm just because I feel like that would be a fun Halloween prank. So, yeah.
What do you mean,
I
prank?
better win awards and I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Because I do what I want.
I do what I want. I do what I want.
Make sure the girls are down at the bottom of the hill. Yeah, they're down there. So busy day ahead of us today. We got, Halloween tonight, last day of October. It's cold out here this morning. And, I got to finish putting up the decorations for tonight at the haunted house. But I also got to get ready for Christmas too, I want to get Christmas decorations started just so, while we don't have snow yet. So I don't want to deal with snow and all that. So before we get our first major snowstorm, I want to get those decorations up. Oh, see, look at that. We're already starting to get frost. That's what I'm talking about, you know, the nice weather and all that. Look at that. Getting frost now. These cold mornings. All right, there's the school bus. Make sure everyone gets in. I have to, you know, stand out here and watch every morning, making sure the girls, because I've had issues with both of them now, not just Leanna, but London as well. London's becoming a little girl temper tantrum. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll have a link. But I just never get a break. All right, there they go. They should have a good day. It's Halloween. It's you know, it's a party day. All right, guys. So I am busy dealing with decorations. You know, I got to finish putting up my Halloween decorations, get those out for the haunted house tonight for the trick-or-treaters. While I'm doing that, I also got to get the Christmas lights ready because all these holidays are like so close together. So I got the haunted house done. It's in the garage back there behind me. So I got the Christmas lights that I got to do each and every one of these individual trees, as well as the other trees down by the elk. All right, so I've been out here wrapping Christmas lights around the trees. So this is what I got around these 3 trees. I won't be able to turn these on until after Halloween, otherwise they'll just look weird. But I am prepared for Christmas as well, so I want to get this done before the first big snowstorm, guys. So here's all 3 of my trees. They all have lights now. So I just want to get that out of the way while it's still, you know, somewhat nice out here. So we also have this wreath that we put around the elk here this year. This is new. We've never done this before. So let me stand back so we can get a better view of it. So yeah, got this wreath that we made, homemade, did it ourselves. And we just used these stupid tube things that Leanna kept hitting me with earlier this morning.
The tube things.
Why we bought them was to make this. So it goes around the neck. And yeah, hopefully it will withstand all the winds out here, because yeah, it gets really windy out here. So yeah, this is gonna look very festive, guys, come Christmas time, once we get Halloween out of the way. So believe it or not, Leanna actually won Student of the Month as well.
Sure did.
So I got this sign out here in front of the house. So yeah, really proud of her. I feel like Leanna's been much better lately. She's winning awards. She got Student of the Month. Oh, which by the way, I think I gotta get ready to go to the assembly. All right, so I gotta get Lucy out.
Lucy
on display here. So it feels weird that I'm having to do both Christmas decorations as well as finishing up my Halloween decorations for tonight. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a stand like right there.
All right, we gotta get to this school assembly. And what's he doing down here? He's messing with the wreath. He still can't get it right. It is just never straight. Okay, it's not straight. We need to leave, but you cannot get it straight to save your life. It's totally crooked.
How's it crooked?
It's totally crooked. It's crooked. That's how.
Eat cookie, that's out.
Yeah, sure. Whatever. We need to leave. We need to go to the assembly.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold out there today.
You never ever.
I gotta do that. No, I'm keeping. Okay, well, I gotta work on Halloween decorations for tonight for the trick-or-treaters. I gotta start on Christmas stuff. It's just a lot of decoration going on.
Well, you're never ever gonna get it right, apparently.
Oh!
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm at school and I'm getting ready to go to the assembly, and I'm just getting ready to pull the fire alarm because I really do not want to be here.
So what do you got there?
So it's a picture of Aaron flying a plane.
Oh, from the Brew Crew.
Yeah, from Brew Crew.
Yeah, okay. He's
So
learning how to fly a plane,
he's
right?
flying, well, no, he is flying a plane.
Oh, he is flying now, okay.
And so, but here he has this
relax,
paper.
smile, have fun.
But
Who wrote that, Haley?
I don't know, but he doesn't look like he's relaxing, smiling.
He doesn't look like he's
or having fun.
Yeah, he looks kind of stressed out there. I don't know what's going on.
No, he flies planes now.
Oh, so he got his license and all that? Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Aaron.
Yeah, look at that. The whole
Wow.
in the background.
He's not having fun, though.
Yeah.
Okay. Poor Aaron.
Aaron.
So I am in the van with Carol. We're having a lot of fun in here, and we are heading towards the kids' school.
What? Which one?
Leanna's actually, the elementary school, because I guess.
What's she do now?
Actually, no, it's a good thing, Carol. It's a good thing. So we were actually invited to come to their assembly today because they're having like a reflection assembly when they're giving out awards, and I guess Leanna won 2 awards. She won a first and second prize in different categories. So yeah, we get to go see Leanna
Not because
receiving an award. So something
not
good.
because she's in trouble.
Not because she's in trouble. She did something good, guys.
Whoa.
So that's really exciting.
Go, Leanna.
Yeah, go Leanna.
I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the awards. So, first to explain, there are 3 different age groups. There's middle school, and there's intermediate, and there's primary. So, middle school is the oldest, intermediate in the middle, and primary is the youngest group. So, and for the prices this year, they look like crayons, but they're not. They're oil pastels. So I thought that would be fun for the kids to have a new medium to do their artwork with. They're oil pastels. So they are
pastels.
like
Okay.
you draw with them. And you can blend them really good with your fingers. It's really fun.
Let's have those students, when she calls their name, stand up, and then we will bring these to their class, just to save time and stuff, if that's okay. Let's just have them, as you announce, everyone stand up and stay standing, and then at the very end, no, I'm sorry, just the reflections. If she calls your name, then you stand up, okay?
2D middle school age group. Second place, Leanna Powell.
Yeah, Leanna!
Leanna did a depiction of herself called This Is Me. Leanna Powell. Group. The second place winner is Mason Garcia. Mason did a selfie with his dog
Leanna right there.
called Lucky.
Okay, voices need to stay up, please.
All right, that's all.
Alright, so we're just getting out of the assembly, guys, and I'm really proud of Leanna. She did an awesome job. I can't believe she won 2 awards just now, guys, and could not be more proud of her. So I don't think she even knew we were there. We were sitting, you know, at the very back, but we'll have to let her know, like, when she comes home tonight, that we were here. We were here at the assembly. Why is there a fire truck here?
Oh my gosh, I just called the fire. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
If they don't know it's me. I need to hide some words so that they don't know it's me. Okay, I don't think they saw me. Okay, so I'm just hiding here. There's a slide right here. I'm just hiding from it. And all the kids are like hiding out for the flowers and the plan works. It's working well. Hopefully now I'm gonna go home and hopefully head off to go to school. Uh-oh. She's sleeping. What? No, I didn't do it. No, I was hiding behind here so that way the fire wouldn't find me. I didn't do anything.
The alarm's going off. Is that the fire alarm? Sounds like the alarm's going off. Huh. I don't know what's going on. We were just inside. Everything seemed okay. Why is there a fire truck at the school? We don't need this kind of drama. There's a fire truck at the school. Alright guys, so we just left the school and I don't know, that was weird. There was that fire truck there and
So odd. Why
the alarm went off and everything. It looked like the kids were starting to line up as we were leaving.
a fire drill?
Maybe they were just doing like a test fire drill since they had everyone in the assembly, so it'd be easy just to have everyone together maybe.
That makes sense.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna just grab some lunch and head back home and we'll congratulate Leanna later when she
I'm
comes
so
home.
excited.
So excited
She's
for her.
behaving so well.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dream come true.
Alright guys, I'm super excited. I feel like I'm finally having my one normal day today, guys. My normal day. Just really excited. Nothing bad has happened today. So finally, I can just do a normal video for you guys without any drama.
That sounds boring.
The waiting. This is to be continued. I mean, oh no. I can do it for part 2. There was good Tantrum pause for the alarm during suit assembly for the months up by all she took mushrooms. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reactions like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell so you'll be notified when they're below. Bye.